Namaste everyone. Today we are going to discuss patent as an examination 2003 paper 1. Question 1 short notes. Question 1a invention. Kindly see section 21j for the definition. Question number 1b request for examination. Kindly see section 11b. Question number 1c provisional specification. Kindly see section 9. Question number 1d term of patent, that is 20 years. Kindly see section 53. Question number 1 E. Patent agent. Kindly see section 125, 126 and 127 for patent agent application, qualification and its power. Question number 1F. Intergovernmental organization. Kindly see section 2D. Intergovernmental organization or convention countries. Question number 1G. International application under PCT. Kindly see rule 19. Question number 2 is true and false. 2a. Every application for patent shall be for one invention only. Statement is true. Kindly see section 7. Question number 2b. There is a provision under the Patent Act 1970 as amended to extend the term of the patent beyond 20 years. Statement is false. Kindly see section 53. Question number 2c. Application for grant of exclusive marketing rights. This section has been repealed. Question number 2d. It is possible to obtain a world patent. There is nothing called world patent. Statement is false. Question number 2e. Research institute or organization can use patents for research purpose without any liability for infringement. Statement is true. Kindly see section 47 clause 3. Question number 2f. The register of patent agent is kept at the Patent Office, Kolkata only. Statement is false. Appropriate office. Kindly see question number 2g. Invention relating to atomic energy is not patentable. Statement is true. Kindly see section 4. Question number 2h. Every application for patent, whether provisional or complete, shall be made in form 2. Statement is true. Question number 2i. For nationals, natural person of India, the basic and designated fee. Kindly see the fee structure or the first schedule. Question number 2j. No drawing or a sketch which would be require a special illustration of the invention shall appear in the text of the specification itself. Statement is true. Kindly see rule 15 clause 2. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. Question number 3a. The qualifying marks for each written paper and for viva voce. Kindly see the notification because it gets changes with every year. Question number 3b. Regarding fee, kindly see the fee structure. Question number 3c. Exclusive marketing rights. This section has been repealed. Question number 3d. PEA under PCT stand for Preliminary Examination Authority. Question number 3e. Application for the grant of product patent for drug can be filed under this section has been amended. Kindly see section 7. Question number 3f. The date of every patent shall be the date of filing of the patent application. Kindly see section 45 for date of patent. Question number 3g. Kindly see fee structure. Question number 3h. The maximum number of designation. Kindly see the PCT fee structure. Question number I. Kindly see the PCT fee structure. Question number J. The request for examination of application for patent under section 11b and rule 24(1) should be filed in form number 18. Question number 4. A. What is register of patent? Kindly see section 67. Question number 4b. Name the PCT fee. Kindly see the PCT structure. What is an official gazette? Kindly search on Google. Question number 4d. A note on the time for putting up an application in order of the acceptance. Kindly see section 21 and rule 24b. Time is 6 months, extension period 3 months. Question number 4e. What do you understand by the term exclusive? This section has been repealed. Question number 4F. A note on the advantage of PCT. Kindly see the PCT filing PDF which is available on IP India website. Question number 5A. For filing a request of examination of an application for patent, time period is 48 months. Kindly see Rule 24B. 5B. For a request for termination of compulsory license. Kindly see Section 84, compulsory license, and Section 94, termination of compulsory license. Question number 5C. For filing an opposition to grant of a patent after acceptance of the complete specification notified in the official gazette. Kindly see Section 25, that after publication opposition can be made. Question number 5D. For an application for the restoration of a patent that has to be filed within 18 months. Kindly see Section 60. Question number 5E. For declaration as to inventorship of the invention that has to be filed within 1 month. Kindly see Section 10, Clause 6 and Rule 13. And the required form is Form 5. Question number 5F. For a request for sealing of patent. This section has been repealed. Question number 6A. Kindly see the fee structure. 6B and 6C. Kindly see the fee structure of the first schedule. For question number 6D. Kindly see the fee structure. For question number 6E. Full form of EPO is European Patent Office. Question number 6G. For filing an extension of time for 1 month. Kindly see the fee structure or the first schedule. And the full form of ISA is International Searching Authority. Kindly see Rule 19A. Question number H. Kindly see the fee structure. I, same. Question number J. The term of every patent granted after the commencement of the Patent Amendment Act 2002 shall be 20 years. Kindly see Section 53. Thanks for watching my videos. I have given all the relevant sections. Thanks for watching.